In this video, we are going to fix the 0x800704c7 Windows 11 full creator update error in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the solutions. So the first solution that you can do is that you need to run the troubleshoot or the troubleshooter for Windows update. How we can do that? Here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Now here at the settings, please proceed to the left pane and find for an option which is the system. Now click on it. Once you click on it, under the system settings, you need to find for troubleshoot. So the moment you have find it, tap on it, and afterwards you'll see these three options. Please proceed to other troubleshooters. Here you'll see this Windows update. Please click on run. So mostly in some of the instances, see, the moment you will troubleshoot for Windows update in your PC or laptop, your problem will be fixed. Okay. So it will only take 2 to 3 minutes in your computer. Please wait until the process would be done. And once you are done, I would suggest to restart your computer. And once you've restarted it, try to check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to proceed to the second solution. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. Okay? The second solution that you can do is that here at the Google Chrome, please open it. You can also use the search box here, search for it, and once you'll see a best match, just click on open so that you can be navigated on this browser. So at the search bar, please directly type for Windows 11 ISO and then click on the enter key in your keyboard, and here you'll see a list of results. Please proceed to the result, which is under the Microsoft.com, which is the official website for it, and please click on this download Windows 11. Click on that one. Once you click on it, you'll see this download Windows 11. Please download directly the Windows 11 ISO here. Okay. And don't worry because I'll be including this link at the YouTube description. You can simply copy and paste it here. So please click on download now. Wait until it would be done. And once you are done, you need to install it in your PC and then restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, your problem will be fixed. Okay. So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.